Several property brokers have actually claimed closing online deals worth crores of rupees during this lockdown. The question here is, who is buying in the market? Let's do a 3-point analysis to understand if you should buy a property right now and what are the things you should keep in mind if you do. 1. Are people buying property now? Well, a report by Magic Bricks Property Index says that consumer searches had actually witnessed a 5.3% growth during the first quarter of 2020 and that there was a strong demand for small size as well as ready to move in units as well. Now, real estate experts have said that this may be because there are some good deals available in the market right now and the scope for negotiations is high. Now, most of the buyers in the market are those who had already been sitting on the fence before the pandemic struck, which actually means that these people have done their due diligence already, but had all along been waiting for the prices to fall down further. Non-resident Indians could be another category. The rupee has actually depreciated close to 10% to a dollar, and there is discounting on the property due to the sheer rupee depreciation. For this segment, COVID-19 is a great opportunity to at least book online. 2. Should you invest in real estate right now? Well, prospective buyers should introspect and really ask themselves why they want to buy a property right now. Is it to upgrade their present accommodation? Or are you looking for financial security because the stock markets are not giving high returns at this time? Are you in a position to service the financial obligations that come with buying a property, such as down payment, the EMIs, operating costs in these uncertain times? And more importantly, are you sure of your job after COVID-19? If you have enough reserves for emergencies such as retirement and a job loss, then you may think of considering buying a house. 3. What are the things to keep in mind if you do go ahead and buy that house? Well, prospective buyers need to be cautious and not rush into finalizing deals, even if the deal is attractive, before having done their due diligence. Buy property from a branded developer, and you must also check RERA website for details on the project approvals and the timelines. Preferably, you should sign a deal with prior loan approvals in place. Before embarking on the course of serious negotiation, do a background check of the builder and seller, the prevailing market conditions, the pros and cons of one's own budget, and also the qualities and conditions of the property one really intends to buy. Also, inquire about the unsold inventory stuck with the builder right now. Study if the listed prices on the builder's website and the other real estate websites have decreased over time. Most of the experts have cautioned the investors, saying that while this may be a good time to look for good opportunities, it is not a great time to take risks.